Case B identified. Find out balancing figures of common size profit and loss statement of 2 years. So just be careful that 31,317 will come cross and 31,316 will come cross. Even in percentage to sales, 31,317 will come last and 31,316 will come last second. Okay. Now, how to obtain this balancing figures? It's very simple. Like, how did we find column 5? Column 3 divide by sales into 100. If you bring sales on the other side, can I say column 3 is 5 into sales? Bring 100 on the other side, divide by 100. Simply sales into 5 divide by 100 means same way column 4 also. Same way column 4 also. Sales multiplied by column 6 divide by 100. Even column 6, how did we get? 4 divide by sales into 100. So what will be column 4 equal to? 6 multiplied by sales divide by 100. What you have to do is, what is the sales of column 3?
60 lakhs.
Simply 60 lakhs into 70%. Into 70 upon 100. Then 60 lakhs into 12%. 60 lakhs into 3%. 60 lakhs into 85%. 60 lakhs into 15, it's already available. Same way when you do it in column 4. 45 lakhs into 68%. 45 lakhs into 10%. 45 lakhs into 2%. Did everyone understand this or not? So here you can mention that formula. How will you find this column 3? Sales into column 5 percentage. And here also sales into column 6 percentage. Understood this? Sales into column 5 percentage. Sales into column 6 percentage. Any doubt in that? After this question, I'll make you write this formula in the notes also. So, raise your hand who is not clear with this. Now do it. 60 lakhs into 70%.
42 lakhs.
42 lakhs. 60 lakhs into 12%.
7,20,000.
7,20,000. 60 lakhs into 3%.
1,80,000.
Any doubts in this? All are clear with it? Same way, 45 lakhs into 68%.
30 lakhs. 60,000. 30.
30.
Then 45 lakhs into 10%. 4,50,000. 45 lakhs into 2%. 90,000. Raise your hand who did not understand this balancing figures. All are clear with it? How is it obtained? One calculation, show it below the question so that when you revise, you follow that. 60 lakhs into 70% is 42 lakhs. And same way, 30 lakhs 60,000 is obtained as 45 lakhs into 68%. Raise your hand who is not clear with it. Now, last two things normal as we have been doing in other questions. What is the rate of tax given in the question? Raise your hand who is still writing the balancing figures up till depreciation. So, as we have been doing it, 9 lakh into 30%, 2,70,000. Again 9 lakh into 30%, 2,70,000. And profit after tax,
6,30,000.
9 lakhs minus 2,70,000, 6,30,000, both the places. And this column, same formula, 3 upon sales into 100. Do it. 2,70,000 divided by 60 lakhs into 100.
4.5.
And 6,30,000 divided by 60 lakhs into 100.
10.5.
10.5. Able to understand this? Here 2,70,000 divided by 45 lakhs into 100.
6.
And 6,30,000 divided by 45 lakhs into 100. Did you understand this last two informations? Provision for tax and profit after tax. I repeated, 9 lakh into 30% is 2,70,000. Rate of tax is given 30%. Here also 9 lakh into 30%, 2,70,000. 9 lakhs minus 2,70,000, 6,30,000. And then last two columns, same traditional way, 3 upon sales into 100. So 2,70,000 upon 60 lakhs into 100, 4.5. 6,30,000 upon 60 lakhs into 100, 10.5. Again 2,70,000 upon 45 lakhs into 100, 6. 6,30,000 upon 45 lakhs into 100, 14. Did everyone understand this?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having any doubt in it? Now in the notes, summary you can write it. Calculation of missing figures. Earlier calculation of missing figures was related to comparative statements. Earlier formula what we had written was under the comparative statements. Now this is under common sense, and that too calculation of missing figures of profit and loss. Statement. Simply, whether you have to find last year's amount or you have to find current year's amount, for both of them, sales into percentage. That's it. Okay? Whether you have to find last year's amount or you have to find current year's amount, sales into percentage. Last year's amount, last year's sales into percentage, current year's amounts, current year's sales into percentage. So everyone is clear with this missing figures calculation?
Yes.
Now we take up with question 13 related to balance sheet. Okay? That's pretty much.